It's a fact. Toyota offers 10 different vehicles with available 4 or all-wheel drive. So when you need to drive in challenging conditions, we have your answer with great limited time savings, including the new 2014 Tundra. Choose from excellent cash back savings, a low payment lease, or special financing as low as 2.9%. Tundra, ready to take you down winter's toughest roads. Discover Toyota's 4 and all-wheel drives for yourself. Visit any of your Inland Empire Toyota dealers today. Toyota, let's go places.
Hi everybody, meteorologist Don Morelli with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News. Your weather forecast, of course, brought to you by Bud Cleary Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. Well, here's the headlines. A cold weekend is on tap. We're watching a cold front to come in Friday afternoon, Friday night, really bringing in the cold air for the weekend. And with it, some winds will be picking on up as well. And then we'll start a little slow warm-up Monday, Tuesday, and with the warm-up, clouds will come back and chances of more precipitation comes our way. Speaking of which, we had a little precipitation today off and on. Very light but spotty, but it was a pretty gray, cloudy, at least the first half of the day. 44 and 31 the extremes with a trace of precipitation here in Ephrata and down in Moses Lake. Another trace being reported with 44 and 29 being the extremes. You know, normally we should be right around that 50-degree mark, believe it or not. We could be, 20, 25 degrees cooler than that during the weekend. 41 right now, 28-degree dew point. The breeze not bad yet, but during the day tomorrow, especially tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow night, when the front gets close, we'll be seeing some pretty gusty winds. Here's what's going on. Our weather is actually going to back its way from British Columbia back into across the inland northwest into the Columbia Basin. At the same time, there's quite a storm off of California. They're getting much needed rain, but at times too much for them, and you saw some of it trying to come northward, but the Arctic air is seeping lower and underneath this, but at time the clouds will be pretty persistent, and at times maybe a sprinkle or two. But through Sunday, it's looking just basically windy and cold, and then by Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, we'll start seeing a little bit more moisture coming our way. Here's the outlook for Friday. Again, partly cloudy skies for the most part west of the Cascades, and we're not going to be too bad here in the Columbia Basin. But you notice up to the northeast of us, in the inland northwest, the mountains could be seeing some snow showers with the approach of that cold front and some gusty winds as well. We'll notice a cold front come through during the afternoon and evening when those winds pick up. But in the meantime, before it goes through, you can see temperatures aren't going to be too bad, but look for the increasing clouds, and then temperatures will just plunge as we slide into Saturday morning. Look at this. 20 to start, 28 the afternoon high. There could be a little light precipitation as well as we start Saturday morning. Then just basically cold into Sunday. Still mostly cloudy. There could be a flurry still, but generally just clouds and winds. And then the precipitation starts coming back our way as the warmth starts coming our way. You see upper 30s on Monday, mid to high 40s, maybe even back to near seasonal levels by midweek next week. But from Sunday through Wednesday, say, the chance of precipitation increases. And look for the morning hours below freezing. That means morning slick spots could be possible. But again, get ready for the winds of change. Very cold for the weekend.